Welcome to Expose Ghana. We are here to bring you all the goods and the bads and what you want to see, what you want to find in Ghana. So before you watch this video, try and subscribe to the channel. You like the video and you share to others. Today we are looking at another fascinating invention that is coming up in Ghana. And for some years back, we had someone like Apostle Kojo, the doctor who invented some machineries, including cars and other heavy equipment and machineries that it enhances work and life as a whole. There's been other people who have also got into that invention cycle and they are doing well. Of late, we are also getting some young and talented kids who are coming up with an innovative ideas that I think people have to watch and they have to be commended and to be encouraged to do what they are doing. Most of the time we hear the white men inventing the new things like cars, new models and other machineries that we see it as very interesting machineries. But it is a good thing to see these young guys in Ghana. Some are in GHS, some are in SHS, and even some are not attending school at all. And so let's look at this young guy from Bogoso who has also made his own car with engines and lights. Everything is very unique and different from the normal cars that we see. Though it is not fully completed, but it is a moving car that it has an engine and all the basic things that you find in cars. Let's look at the video. Let's check how this little guy, 16 years old boy, GHS guy, has brought up this very nice and something that you see and you find it very interesting. Watch, this is the car. Yes, look, the bonnet is already here. When you open the bonnet, you close it. There is one policeman interrogating him, asking him questions about how he made it and how he got the idea of doing the car, manufacturing or producing this car. Look at the seats. Yes, check the steer and everything. This means that Ghana, Africa as a whole, we are moving out of our indigenous mindset that black man cannot do it. That why when there is no white man we cannot live or something like that. Just look at this one. Yes, I know you are finding it interesting, and this is what we are encouraging here in Ghana, that every parent, every guardian or every adult should support these little ones. You should not force them to learn something that they don't want to or they are not comfortable with. They should let them explore and do what they want to do best. I believe some few years to come, Ghana, Africa as a whole, will move away from barbaric acts and those cultures that we find ourselves in. So this is Expose Ghana. We cannot hide this interesting innovation by this young guy. We have to show it to you so that you will know the best in Ghana. Yes, this is Expose Ghana. We are leaving you here. Stay in touch. Subscribe to the channel. Share the link and then you like the video. Thank you and bye bye.